Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to hide friend leaks on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is to actually log into your Facebook account. So once you actually log into your Facebook account, one thing you should actually keep in mind is if your account is being turned on to a professional mode, you need to make sure you actually turn it off, because if you do not turn it off, this might not be able to work for you. So all you need to do is actually just click on your profile right here. So once you click on your profile right here, all you need to do is head over to this menu button at this corner right here. So once you click on this menu button right here, like a dot button right here, just click on the dot button. So once you actually click on the dot button right here, you're gonna see a page where it's gonna say turn off professional mode. So just click on turn off professional mode. So once you actually click on turn off professional mode, just click on continue. So once you actually click on continue right here, just click on turn off. So once you actually click on turn off right here, you're gonna see that our Facebook account is gonna be turned off from professional mode successfully. So all you need to do is just click on close. So once you actually click on close right here, the next thing you need to do is to actually head over to your settings. So in order to actually locate your settings right here, all you need to do is actually just click on your profile button. So once you click on the profile button right here, just scroll down a bit right here, they are going to be locating where it says settings and privacy. So once you click on settings and privacy right here, just click on the settings button. Then all you need to do is just scroll down a bit. So what we are going to be looking for right here is we are going to be looking for where it says audience and visibility. So once you actually locate where it says audience and visibility, so all you need to do is just scroll down a bit. So once you actually scroll down a bit, so we are going to be looking for where it says followers and public content. So once you actually find it, so just click on it right here. So once you actually click on it, it's going to take you straight to this page. This is where you could actually manage who and who can see your friends list on Facebook. So all you need to do is just click on this place right here. Just click on it. So once you actually click on it, you could actually put it on only me. So once you actually put it on only me right here, you are actually going to be the only one that could actually see your friend list on Facebook. And also you could also manage who can see your Facebook page list right here, and also you could also like manage other things right here. Guys, that's how you could actually hide friend list on Facebook. And I hope you found this video helpful. So if you know you did, please don't forget to like the video, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and also do well to share this video to your friends that may be having issues with this.